Hello, Dr. Sebi. This is Miranda. We met once before with this gent here, Ramses. Good to see you. I have a question. Well, actually, I have like two, but I'll go with one. Okay, so I am a newly committed vegan. I've been doing this for about 2 years, on and off. What I do struggle with is protein. And so we talk about electricity and foods being live, but I don't know, I can tell that I'm not getting protein.
I took her to Silver Spring, and I began to treat her against the will of the physician at Georgetown Pediatric Hospital. At the ending of 3 months, they caught up with us, but the little girl no longer had sickle cell. The police took me to the hospital and the parents too, and they come the superintendent and the manager, the hematologist, Dr. Steinberg. She noticed something, that I had not given a kilo any protein for 3 months. Dr. Sebi, I noted that you did not give a kilo any protein for 3 months. I said, Dr. Steinberg, I don't even know what protein is. So I couldn't give the girl something I don't know about. You don't know? I said, I most certainly doesn't. What is protein, Dr. Steinberg? It's one of the 19 amino acids, the building blocks of life. I said, is it electrical? She said, I don't know. I said, you don't know? But the human body is electrical. And the human body only assimilates a substance through the process of chemical affinity. Electric body, electric food. So when you said that you think that you need protein, I don't believe that that is quite right. Because I haven't had protein in 52 years. I took eggs and meat and everything that constitute protein from my diet. And when I was eating a lot of protein, pork chops, especially because they tell us that the source of protein that's highest come out of a hog. When I had more hog meat, and more lamb, and chicken, and I couldn't have sex from the age of 28 until the age of 30. And I had protein every day. I stopped having protein, and I'm still making babies at 81. So enough for the protein bit. That does not exist. You don't need protein. And you don't need no vitamin A or B or C because the body's not made of those things. What you need is hair food. They call it batana. And your hair will grow. And we have that compound for you. Nothing to do with protein.